In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can buy Chill Guy in under 30 seconds with this amazing app that I'm about to share with you. Hello everybody, my name is Sinan. Welcome to another episode. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, Chill Guy has already made a ton of millionaires. There has been people that invested $100. Now their $100 is worth a ton of money, $1 million and more. The majority of the new people that are jumping into crypto, they're not jumping in to buy Bitcoin at $100,000 or Ethereum at 3,000 or any other big crypto. That will probably not do a 5x or a 10x anytime soon. The majority of the new people are jumping in to buy meme coins simply because they can invest $5, $10, $50, $100, and then they can turn that into 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, maybe even a million if they get in real early on a meme coin. So a lot of people right now are simply getting into crypto to gamble on meme coins. And a lot of people that are jumping in do not even know how to buy meme coins. So a lot of people are getting scammed left and right. They're losing money, going through exchanges, jumping through a bunch of hoops when they don't have to. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a very easy app that you can download right now. The link will be in the description box below. The app is called Moonshot. And with this app, you'll be able to invest into meme coins such as Chill Guy and others in a matter of 30 seconds. Best of all, you do not need any experience. You do not have to copy addresses or any of that stuff. And I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously download the Moonshot app, which I have a link for in the description box below. The app is 100% free. So once you download the app and you open it up, it will look something like this. And then you are going to see a ton of meme coins on this app. So you are going to scroll down until you find Chill Guy. After you find Chill Guy, you are going to see a green button on the bottom that says buy. So you're going to click on that green buy button, and then you are going to enter in the amount of money that you want to invest into Chill Guy. You can invest $5, $10, $50, $100, however much money you want to invest. Obviously, guys, investing in meme coins is extremely risky, but a lot of people are shooting for the moon in order to convert $100 into 100,000. So obviously, invest at your own risk. This is not financial advice. I'm just simply sharing the easiest way to do so. So once you have selected how much money you want to invest, you can select where that money will come from. You can use your Apple Pay to buy Chillcoin. You can use your credit or debit card. You can use Venmo, PayPal, and a couple of other options as well. So you simply enter in the amount of money you want, enter in where that money will come from, and then simply buy. And that is how easy it is to buy Chill Guy. Literally takes 30 seconds. No more downloading multiple wallets, jumping through a ton of exchanges. With the Moonshot app, you can start investing into meme coins literally within 30 seconds. The app is super easy to use. Best of all, it is free, very user friendly, and a beginner can do this with no problems whatsoever. And that is it for this video. That is how simple and easy it is to buy Chill Guy. Alright everybody, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your favorite meme coin in the comment section below. Maybe I'll invest in it. See you in the next one. Peace out.